Imagine a world where your gaming skills could transform into tangible assets. Welcome to the play-to-earn revolution, where players are not just engaging in virtual escapades, but are actively earning cryptocurrency. This innovative trend is reshaping the traditional gaming landscape and empowering players like never before. At the heart of play-to-earn games is blockchain technology. It provides the framework for digital assets to be owned, traded, and sold in marketplaces, often at substantial values. Players can collect unique items or characters, which can appreciate over time, much like real-world antiques or works of art. These assets are often represented as non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, each with a distinct identity and value. One prominent example of a play-to-earn game is Axie Infinity. In this virtual pet universe, players breed and battle fantastical creatures called Axies. The more skilled you become, the more rewards and cryptocurrency you can earn. This has led to players, especially in regions like Southeast Asia, earning more from gaming than from traditional employment. The allure doesn't stop there. DeFi Kingdoms, Splinterlands, and other games are expanding the possibilities, each uniquely integrating cryptocurrency elements. Players partake in strategy, adventure, and puzzle solving while simultaneously growing their digital assets. The result is an ecosystem where fun and finance intersect in unexpected ways. Yet, as with any economic frontier, there are challenges. The volatility of cryptocurrencies means the value of what you earn can fluctuate. Also, the entry barrier to some popular games can be steep, requiring initial investments that may deter casual gamers. As the digital frontier continues to expand, the play-to-earn model could redefine how we perceive work and play. With every click, swipe, or button press, players stand at the forefront of a technological evolution, turning virtual victories into real-world wealth. Welcome to the future of gaming, where your skills are not just for bragging rights, but a doorway to financial opportunity. If you want to learn how people earn crypto online, watch the free videos at joinalxnow.com.